Alright, today I'm going to be taking this and forging this into the blade on a Karambit. I plasma cut out the handle and I'll be forging in the blade. It's 1/8 inch thick, 1080 carbon steel. I've still got to clean out the finger ring, and so I'm fixing to throw it in the propane forge, and we'll see how we go about doing that, getting everything done. Let me get this propane forge fired up. Need a little bit of paper to do that. Now, you're not going to be able to really hear me over the propane forge, so I won't do a whole lot of talking. I'm just going to do the forge work and then explain things afterwards. cooled down just a little bit after getting it finished forged up. There you go. That's the rough shape. I'll clean it up, narrow it up a little bit, and I'll get the point cleaned in, grind in the bevels and stuff and all, at least to about 80-90% complete on the bevels and stuff. Then I'll harden it, and then I'll temper it, and I'll come back in and do the handle and all on it. In the middle of all that, I will actually clean out the finger ring. I appreciate y'all sticking with me. I appreciate the likes and subscriptions on the YouTube channel. I appreciate the comments, feedback, and things like that I'm getting in the YouTube comments, as well as on Facebook and all from subscribers. Check out my Facebook. Check out my Instagram. Don't forget to take a look at the website. Down in the description, there'll be a link to my Teespring account. You can purchase t-shirts and all like that would help support and help grow the channel and things along those lines. This has been my first time, actually, well, second time forging out a Karambit. This will be my first time where it's actually been a combination of the handle being cut out and shaped proof, you know, and forging in the blade. So I appreciate everybody checking this out and all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Go back and check out the February 2000 last year giveaway announcement video on the laminated massive skinner. There's 18 entries right now, subscribers that have liked and commented on that video. If you want to enter, subscribe to the channel. Go back, find that video, like and comment on it. I'll give you a number. Once I reach 250 subscriptions on the channel, I will be doing a random number generator on that and picking one lucky winner to receive that knife, as well as a handcrafted leather sheath. It will be saddle stitched by hand, dyed by hand, and I may even decide to do a little bit of tooling or something, maybe a deer head or something along those lines. But I appreciate y'all. I appreciate the growth I've had in the channel in the past month and a half. I appreciate people watching the videos longer and checking everything. Y'all have a blessed one, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.